What's up everyone? Today we have a Bluetooth speakerphone to review by Anker. And not only does the speaker pack an awesome punch, but it also works really well for conference calls. Let's check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's episode, we have partnered up with Anker to take a look at their S3 Bluetooth speakerphone. We have all the links and details to it located in the description if you'd like to take a look. So this thing is pretty sweet. It's a Bluetooth speaker that is designed to work as a speakerphone. So if you're using it with your mobile device, everything comes in crystal clear, as well as conference calls, group meetings, and much more. Then when you don't want to use it as a speakerphone, it doubles as an awesome Bluetooth speaker. So let's hit the table and get this bad boy out of the box and see what it can do. So this is Anker's PowerConf S3 Bluetooth and USB speakerphone speaker. Coming out of the box, on the top, we got some foam that helps protect it. And we have a USB to USB-C cable. And then we have a case with the speaker inside and some paperwork. And that is everything you get out of the box. Let's open this up and see what the speaker looks like. Oh wow, this feels nice. The protector cover over off the front. This feels really nice. We have a rubber mat on the bottom to grip. The speaker cover, the mesh feels awesome, looks awesome. We have our buttons in the center. On the front we have the power button and a Bluetooth button. On the back we have a USB port, an auxiliary out, and a power port. And that is it on the ports. Wow, this thing is great. The case also feels great. It's nice to have a case for protection. So you've got the speaker, your cord, your paperwork, and that is everything you get right out of the box. For charging the device, we can use a USB cable. We'll plug into the USB port of the front of my desk and plug it into the power port, and that will get the 6700 milliamp battery started charging. You'll see a red light at the front to let you know that it is charging, and at a full charge this is rated to give you 24 hours of call time. Like I said, it's a 6700 milliamp battery, so it's a pretty good sized battery. You can get some good use out of it. And it will also charge at optimized speeds thanks to Anker's Power IQ technology. Setting this up is really simple. First, you just power it on by holding the power button down. Then you will see the lights come on. Make some noise. Then you'll have a Bluetooth button here. You'll just press that, and it will start immediately looking for a Bluetooth connection. Then whatever device you have, in my case it's my phone, you can connect it by Bluetooth. And then you can see it will automatically show up as Anker's PowerConf S3. Tap on it, it immediately connects, and you are ready to go. Now if you don't want to use Bluetooth, we can also connect it with the USB cable. I'll take the USB-C cable, plug it into the power port. Then we'll plug the USB in into the USB port of my computer, and it will come on and automatically sync itself up and start working as an audio device. This way you can use it with multiple platforms on your computer as a speaker and a microphone. And I gotta say, I was really surprised at how well it sounds. Check out the volume this bad boy has. We also have smart voice enhancement by real-time voice optimization and background noise reduction that's conducted by the customized DSP algorithm, ensuring that you always sound crystal clear on the other side of a call. And with the 6 microphone array, you're able to stand up, walk around, and be confident knowing that the PowerConf S3 Bluetooth speakerphone has the 360-degree voice pickup and covers your entire meeting space. So with that being said, let's do some microphone tests and let you be the judge on how it sounds. Alright, so we're here in the studio and I have got it synced up. We're recording. You can see on the light what side of the mic it gets on. So when I get on this side will light up, as well as if I'm above it, the top will light up. If I'm under it, the bottom will light up. So the 360 degree is awesome. Plus, the audio that you're hearing right now is coming from this speaker. So we're going to place it right here on the keyboard so you can get an example of what it's like in the room, as well as my laptop has a fan going right now, so it's got some noise to cancel as well. So giving it a sound check, walking about this much of a distance, we have about 5 to 6 foot in between me and the speaker, and this is the type of audio quality that you get. I'm even almost out of the picture over there. So over here, this is about the audio quality you get about 2 to 3 foot away. You can hear it does an excellent job picking up in the room, even when my head is turned away from the speaker. That's pretty surprising. I'm pretty amazed at how awesome this Bluetooth speaker is, not to mention the travel case that keeps it protected. Once again, we have seen a great product that has been put together by Anker, and I would highly recommend it. So if you're looking for a speaker with a great microphone that works through Bluetooth and USB, then I would highly recommend checking this one out. We'll have our links located down in the description if you'd like to take a closer look and get more details. Big thanks to Anker for partnering up with us to give you this review, so if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and get in the comments letting us know what type of speaker and mic setups that you like to use. That is going to be it for this one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to do so. Turn on the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.